What's up, you guys? Today we're having crashes. No, I want to do the crashes so you get to watch the neighborhood. Okay. Cannot see. We're gonna move it. Move your feet. Lose your freaking seat. Excuse me, call your little diaper booty. Was that a fart? Okay, Colt, can you move? That was do this.
That was a bridge.
Okay, you can use that. You get to use that. Ready for the Heart Lake Lego Friends, Heart Lake City Hospital, the new Heart Lake City Hospital ambulance, full of Lego mini dolls. They're all gonna fall out. And then they saw Nismo.
It's for my butthole.
I'm supposed to drive it in the neighborhood. It won't work on the carpet. What are you doing? Fungus cupping.
Yes.
I thought I would knock the light off. I didn't give you for my butthole lay off. I am very sorry to you guys for dying. It turns out the whole back of the Heart Lake Hospital ambulance is wonky and missing the back. And all the mini dolls have fallen out. Everybody fell out.
So, wipe the table because there's not shemema.
Let Mommy wipe the table.
Hey, you don't call me a fetus. You little weenus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Let's die! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My underwear all rolled up. I didn't see the front was missing. The whole front of the Heart Lake Hospital is damaged.
My name is Weenus Capenis. And I
Well, lick schmegma.
will whoop your ass.
Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. What's up, lady? We can just go. Yes, I swear. Now let's get back to camera. So, my brother named Cole is a Lingus Kapinga. And let's put mini dolls inside the van. We should put Olivia and don't
I'll be right back, you teepees.
Where are you going?
I gotta put my stuff in the van.
Okay,
I'll be
people.
right back, teepees.
Let's use the mobile vet clinic car. There's like a rebooted version of this one coming out next year.
Where's
It's
the
called
side
the
bumper of the
Catwoman car, so I'm excited
GTR,
to build it.
Where's the side
And
bumper?
compare the two cars on video for you.
Look. Where's the side bumper?
The heck? I don't even know where that. I don't even know if that's off this vehicle. It has to be
I
running
think
black.
it's inside.
That looks right. I know.